Kevin, you want some water? Here, have some water. Your first water. You want some? Come here. You don't like that? You don't like it, do you? You want to try some more? Okay, let's have some cereal. You want some cereal? It's okay, my mama's got for you. Mmm. You don't want it? Come on, buddy. You've eaten it before. You've eaten it before. You don't like it now? Hmm.